Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today in this video, I am going to review a product which is called as GooglrCash. It says, it promises that it will make you money. Let me show you. This will make you money $89 every hour and up to $789 every single day. We will see everything in details, how it will do, what it promises, and even if it can do or not. So stay in this video and I will tell you everything about this product, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side if you get GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so let's start the review video and just let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. This is Shubhadeep. I am an affiliate marketer and I create review products. I create money making tactics on YouTube. So kindly consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, share this video with others, and let us start with GooglrCash. Okay, so this GooglrCash is a system. As you can see, it is turning your mobile phone into a cash spilling machine. No selling, you do not have to sell anything. What it really does is, let me just show myself. And so what it does, it will create a lot of videos. It will so what it does is, it will create a website of yours and it will select a lot of videos from YouTube, popular videos from YouTube. It will list all of those videos on your website which you will create, and on every single video you can what you can do is you can add custom questions, custom polls to make the video more engaging. Okay, so we are engaging. We are the first step is we are collecting videos from YouTube. Okay, before that we are creating our own website. Then we will be collecting videos from YouTube. The third thing is we will create polls, surveys, quizzes on those videos to make the video more engaging. Okay, and after that, when they submit their questions, when they attempt their polls, when they attempt the quizzes, what they will do is they will be landed to a product which you choose from various marketplaces like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and there are a lot of marketplaces. Okay, so after that, when they land on that product, then they will buy that product and they will send you commissions and you are gonna make money through it. Okay, so let me explain this in more details. So the first thing is we are gonna make money through creating a website which will have our own videos. So let us suppose we are creating something regarding to cat niche. Okay, so if you are in a cat niche, then what you will do is you will create a website. Suppose regarding to cash, whatever the website it is, they will customize the website for you. Then on that website there will be a lot of videos which you take from YouTube and you will place all of those videos on your website. Okay, that is the next step. After then, what you will do is you will ask a lot of questions regarding to cat. Okay, like do you have a cat? Okay, so when they say yes, then you will ask another question that do your cat spray at your home regularly, or are you afraid of cat spraying, or are you tired of cat spraying, and similar to that stuff. Okay, so you will ask questions that will make the video more engaging, that will make the viewer to get interacted with your videos. Okay, so when they will realize that they suffer from cat spraying, then you will ask them to visit a product which is regarding to cat spraying, which is on a marketplace. So they will submit the questionnaire, they will submit the poll or a quiz or whatever it is. They will submit and they will be landed to a product page where they can see their problem more elaborated. They can see a solution on that page and they are gonna buy that product and you are gonna make money through it. Okay, so I hope this is clear. And now we will see this whole procedure in a lot details. But before showing you that, let me show you my bonus page and what I'm going to give you if you buy GooglrCash from the link which is down below. So this is my bonus page. As you can see, this is my bonus page, and the bonus page will expire on Saturday 26th of February. This is everything about GooglrCash, and buy before the timer hits 0. Okay, definitely buy it before this timer hits 0, because after this timer hits 0 you will not gonna get the bonuses from this page. Okay, all you need to do is simply click on any of the links right here. I have briefed about GooglrCash here, so you will be seeing what this product is here as well. So automated $89 generation system, one of a kind technology, mobile friendly interface, quick start tutorials, so they will show you everything that you need to know about this product. Okay, then there are a lot of frequently asked questions which they usually encounter, and they have answered it right here, right in the page, and I have just made a space of the frequently asked questions as well. Then the video, this is Mosh Bari, and he is a very big creator, product creator, so you can trust his products. The bonuses that I'm going to give you is simply humongous bonuses. I have not written down everything in a list that will make the page very long, and you will like other marketers and you will see they are giving you a lot of things, but I have just collapsed everything in a particular bonus, so you will see everything right there in a single bonus. And there are a lot of things that I'm going to give you, and let me just show you real quick. Bonus number 1 is completely top 16 affiliate marketing courses out there. As you can see, the commission glitch, $100 CPA daily, the commission toolbox, commission profit hack, commission magnet, pure profit day, $500 CPA, 6-figure influx, and the coffee shop, $300 payday, $200,000 CPA traffic jacker, overnight commissions, instant traffic jacker, and a lot more, and which is only the bonus number 1 that I'm going to give you. Okay, so there are 16 affiliate marketing techniques you are going to know. If you want to make money online, then you must know everything about how to make money, and this is what I'm going to give you as my bonuses. I always focus on getting the knowledge at first before making money, because at first you learn, then you earn. Right? So this is the bonus number 1 that I'm going to give you, and it will consist top 16 affiliate marketing courses out there, and its value is $700, and I'm going to give you for free completely if you get GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so after you click the link down below, you will land on this page, and from this page click on any of these buttons, click here to secure copy any of bonuses, and you will land on this page of GooglrCash. And when you buy GooglrCash from here, all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, so this was the bonus number 1. The bonus number 2 that I'm going to give you is very much needed for you if you get GooglrCash from the link down below. Okay, because the bonus number 2 is completely regarding to traffic. So how to get traffic on your website, that will be a very crucial part. How to get people see your page, and then they will watch your videos, and then they will go to the products that you are promoting. And to get them to that product, the first and foremost thing that you require is traffic, and that is what I'm going to solve that problem of yours by my bonus number 2, and it will consist of 6 traffic courses. You will see a lot of courses. These are high paid courses, and you can see its value is $337, and I'm going to give you for free if you get the GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so as you can see, the clones of Fuego multipliers, 0-hour workdays, incognito, bang bang profits, and Fuego breakout, all of these you will get right now when you buy GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so do not miss out on this opportunity. Go down below and click the link down here. Bonus number 3, that was the bonus number 2. Now the bonus number 3 comes, and it is again humongous. It is completely regarding to make money online, because I know if you want to buy GooglrCash, then you are interested in making money online, and your knowledge of making money online is lacking, and that is why you are not making that money. So to get and stuff knowledge to you regarding to make money, I will give you bonus number 3, which is completely regarding to making money online, and you will get to see a lot of bonuses right here. As you can see, the breakout, from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, 0-hour work days, Profit Factory, El Bandito, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Payday, Secret Weapon. All of these are 9 money making courses. So I'm going to give you a lot of bonuses. I am not just giving you something that is that will not required in your career. This is something heavily recommended and required in every stages of your life if you are entering into making money online. So I'm going to give you everything for free if you get GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so as you can see, 9 money making courses here, 6 traffic courses here, so 15, and then 16 affiliate marketing courses, means 31 total courses I'm going to give you today for free if you get GooglrCash from the link which is down below. Okay, so now let us see what the system is, how it is gonna make that what it is promises. Okay, so this is the page of GooglrCash, and now let us see what it is stating about making money. So guys, as you can see, they are making $789 per day through last 12 months. Okay, so I should not tell you this, but this is practically truth, and which is nothing in this world can make you that amount of money. Means the amount they are stating right here, which is $89 every hour and up to $789 every single day, from simple yes or no questions on Google over and over again. So this is something that is not true, that is not going to happen, and it is seriously and completely a sales pitch. Means they are stating something that is not possible. That is definitely possible. I will not completely reject it. That is completely possible, but you are not gonna see that result right from the day you are gonna buy that product. You have to work hard on creating the websites. You have to work hard selecting the perfect videos, getting bang on your niche, and then sending traffic. Means you have to work hard on creating amazing questions out there, and then you are gonna see these kind of results. But from the day itself, from the day you are buying the product, if you think that you are gonna make $89 every single day from the day you are buying, that was not gonna happen. Completely means reject it from your mindset. You are gonna make that money from the day you are gonna buy the product. That is not gonna happen. Let me clear you this beforehand, before you buy the product. Okay, because this is not there is nothing in this world that will make you money quicker. There nothing exists like make money quick or make money fast, because making money takes a lot of time, a lot of hard work. That is what will make you, so you are not gonna be worthy if you do not work hard for making that money. Okay, so $89 per day is not you are gonna make from the day one. You are gonna make definitely, but when you work consistent on it. Okay, so let us now see what even today, whenever we need money, we browse Google. Beta testers made this much amount of money with GooglrCash. Beta testers are the people who test the product before it launches. They are called as beta testers. GooglrCash is fully ethical and legal, and it works on any computer, phone or tablet. 100% brand new. It started in just 90 seconds. Okay, and made for absolute beginners. Zero hidden experiences or monthly fees involved. 30 days money back guarantee. Fine. Then the pricing of the product is simply, as you can see, get instant access to GooglrCash now, $178 off. Regularly it is $197, and for you it is simply just $19. And on my bonus page, this is my bonus page, and in my bonus page you will get to see a coupon code applying that coupon code, you will get this product at $9 only. I'm not gonna reveal this code in this video, but when you click the link down below, you will land on this page and you will find that code on this page as well, in my bonus page only. And from my bonus page, when you click and you go to the sales page of this GooglrCash, when you apply the promo code, you will get GooglrCash at $9 only. Okay, so this is not, I'm gonna reveal the promo code right here, but you have to click the link down below and get to the bonus page of mine, and in my bonus page you will see that coupon code for getting GooglrCash at $9. Okay, so remember the thing, you will get it at $9, but you have to click and go to my bonus page only. Okay, intelligence pays, so there are a lot of stuff right here. Step 1, what you need to do is simply log into GooglrCash, and from any device of your own. Hurry, the timer is running out. Say yes, answer yes or no questions, and we receive $89 with every click. This is not that much simple that they are saying, but it will definitely make you money if everything you do as means perfectly. Okay, so there are a lot of stuff in the sales page. I'm not gonna go deeper and deeper into it. You can watch it at your spare time, so I'm not gonna read everything right here. So our limited special bonus worth $997 on your too. So there they are giving you a lot of bonuses as well. Exclusive bonus number 1 is 1000 done for you, guaranteed top selling products that they are going to give you. Okay, so now let us see what are the bonuses that they are going to give you, and after that we will so they are giving you a full 30-day money back guarantee. As you can see, 30-day money back guarantee. Now what they are going to give you is one of a kind app, which is $1997. Click and replenish, republish technology, mobile friendly interface, community group access, quick start tutorials, 24/7 customer support. Bonus number 1 they are going to give you is 1000 done for you, guaranteed top selling products, which is valued $997, and 30-day money back guarantee, which is priceless. Everything is $286 in value and $297 a month, but only for today we cannot refuse the offer, and you can get it at $19 one-time fee, and you can get it at $9 only if you click the link down below, go to my bonus page, and there you will find a coupon code. Applying that coupon code on the sales page, on the what it is called, the buy now page, you will get GooglrCash at $9 only. Okay, so guys, I hope everything I covered right here. There are a lot of frequently asked questions as well. The sales page contains a lot of things about GooglrCash. You can find it right on the sales page only. For that you need to click the link down below. Okay, so this was all about the video. I hope you find the video helpful. I create a lot of videos, a lot of good product reviews on this video. You will find everything in this channel regarding to what product launched, what product is good, what product is not that good, what the product contains, and if it is even beneficial for you to make money online. Okay, so kindly consider subscribing to the channel and like this video, share this video with others, and I will meet you on the next video with another product or another training. Till then, bye, take care, and I will meet you on the next video. Okay, so bye.